Horses out, we have Tagurano. Best to begin, Mr. Slim, Classic Kit Kat, Tanori outside, Altus Choice. Racing in Pip, Isapa, and Jaden Dugo is the early trailer. Classic Kit Kat, Danori inside is Mr. Slim. Altus Choice is racing in third, Danori inside. Moving up is Tagurano, Isapa now to take board. And Jaden Dugo is racing in last. That's still Classic Kit Kat, followed by Mr. Slim. Altas Choice is on the outside third. Isapa now coming closer in fourth. Then comes Jaden Dugo and Tagurano. Where it's still Classic Kit Kat by our length, and in second is still is Mr. Slim. Altas Choice in third. Trying to get closer in fourth. Isapa, Jaden Dugo and Tagurano. Mr. Slim takes the lead on the outside. Altas Choice in between horses. Classic Kit Kat. Isapa is on the outside as they come to the last 150. Isapa takes the lead, and in second Mr. Slim. Altas Choice. We have Isapa by about 2 lengths over Mr. Slim. Altas Choice. Entering the finish line. Isapa. Mr. Slim, Altas Choice. Then comes number 1, Tagurano, Jaden Dugo, and number 4, Classic Kit Kat.
5261.
Right, isa pa.